My dear nation movers, I am Neeraj Mohan Puri, Principal Modern Sandeepni School, Pathankot, Director Sandeepni Gurukul, Counterpur, and founder of Goal Foundation. As we bid adieu to the year 2020, this is a perfect time to relish our past achievements and accomplishments. At the same time, to express our gratitude to the Almighty for whatever we have, as well to our family for their unconditional support, and to our team, friends, and colleagues for their cooperation. Let us embrace the change, adapt new normals happily, and continuously invest to develop our skills so that we can make our mark in this universe. With growth mindset and lateral thinking, we can attain new heights, excellence in our every pursuit and endeavor. With this, I wish you all prosperous, progressive, rewarding, stimulating, and health driven new year ahead. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone. My name is Arun Mishra and I am based out of Bangalore, and my profession is a trainer and a life coach. I have been associated with Goal Foundation for last 6 months. And I would like to wish everyone associated with Goal Foundation and the whole teaching community a warm, a happy, a healthy new year. A new year which will bring a lot of hope, a lot of learning for all of us. Goal Foundation is a unique learning platform wherein there are so many different kind of courses available for the faculties, for the students, for everyone, so that we are in touch with what we want to update ourselves with. And I would definitely like to mention some of the programs which I attended and a program which I conducted. It really matters.
And happy moments to each one of you. May the hand above bless everyone. New hopes come with the first January sun. As the new year is dawning, it is a fresh start with new dreams, new days, new desires and new ways. New opportunities, new achievements, new goals and new adventures. I fervently believe that if you wish to do something great in your life, you have to believe in yourself. All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Stand up and express the divinity within you. My association with Goal Foundation has been one of the greatest gifts of the year 2020. This organization is an awesome platform as it gives the chance to explore yourself. It has brought many resilient minds together under one umbrella. I wish the best to everyone whosoever is associated with Goal Foundation to unleash their talents and move in unison in 2021 as well. I wish this organization to scale phenomenal heights in the years to come.
Hello everyone, I am Ranjit Singh, innovative and creative educator at Modern Sandeepni School, Pathankot, Punjab. संगत से गुण होत है, संगत से गुण जात, बांस फांस मिसरे संग एक दर बिकजात. Means company makes a man. A small bamboo stick is sold with equal rate as that of sugar with it. A man has a value in market with its innovative ideas, with the skills it have. Dear all, Goal Foundation is one of the best organization which inculcate in us great ideas, innovative ideas. I have attended FDP, webinars, panel discussions which are organized by Goal Foundation. All the sessions were mind-blowing and very, very insightful. Learn, unlearn and relearn is inculcated in my blood by these sessions. I am very much confident and can serve 21st century kids with more capability. My message to all learning fraternity to join Goal Foundation to be unstoppable in their life. Wishing all blissful New Year 2021. Let us come out of the comfort zone and be our best version. Thank you so much, Goal Organization, to prepare me to serve 21st century kids and achieve my ikigai of life.